Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again for another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that can completely transform your English speaking journey, how to train your brain to think in English naturally. A lot of learners struggle with fluency not because they don't know English, but because they translate everything in their mind before speaking. In this video, we will break down simple, practical, and daily life techniques that will help you stop translating and start thinking directly in English so you can speak faster, smoother, and more confidently in real conversations.
Yes, and this is one of the most important skills for fluency. Many learners know grammar rules, they know vocabulary, but still they freeze when they speak. That happens because their brain is not processing English directly.
Exactly. So, let's fix that step by step. First, you need to understand one basic truth. Thinking in English is not a talent, it is a habit, and habits are built through repetition.
And the good news is you can build this habit even if you are living in a non-English speaking environment. You don't need to travel anywhere.
Right. Let's start with the first technique. Step 1 is stop translating everything in your mind.
This is the biggest mistake almost every learner makes. They think in their native language first and then try to convert it into English.
For example, if you want to say, "I'm hungry," your brain first creates the sentence in your native language, then searches for English words.
That creates delay, confusion, and hesitation in speaking.
Instead, you must directly connect English words to meaning, not translation.
For example, when you hear the word water, don't think of another language. Just imagine drinking water.
When you hear running, imagine someone running. This creates direct mental connections.
Over time, your brain stops depending on translation completely.
Now let's go to the second technique. Start labeling your environment in English.
This is very simple but extremely powerful. Look around your room right now.
You can say things like, "This is a chair," "This is a table," "This is my phone."
Even if you are alone, speak in your mind or softly out loud.
The idea is to turn your environment into an English environment.
If you don't know a word, don't ignore it. Look it up immediately and reuse it.
After a few days, your brain starts recognizing objects directly in English.
Next technique is very important for beginners.
Start thinking in small and simple English sentences.
Don't try to make complex sentences at the beginning.
Start with very basic thoughts like, "I'm tired," "I'm hungry," "It is hot today."
These are easy and natural thoughts that your brain can process quickly.
As you get comfortable, slowly expand them.
For example, I am tired because I did not sleep well last night.
That's how you gradually increase your thinking ability.
Now let's talk about something very effective, self-talk.
Yes, talking to yourself in English is one of the fastest ways to improve thinking.
When you are alone, describe your actions.
For example, "I am brushing my teeth," "I am getting ready," "I'm going to study."
You can also describe what is happening around you.
Like, "The weather is nice today," "The street is busy," "People are walking fast."
This builds real-time thinking ability.
Another powerful habit is keeping an English diary.
Every day, write about your routine in simple English.
It does not need to be long, just a few sentences.
For example, today I went to school, I met my friends, I had a good day.
Writing forces your brain to structure thoughts in English.
Over time, your writing and thinking both become faster.
Now let's talk about reading.
Reading is like fuel for your brain.
When you read English daily, your brain learns natural sentence patterns.
Don't choose very difficult content at the start.
Start with simple stories, short articles, or beginner-level books.
Slowly increase difficulty as your understanding improves.
Pay attention to how sentences are formed, not just meanings.
This helps your brain absorb English structure naturally.
Now let's move to listening practice.
Listening is extremely important for thinking in English.
If you listen to English every day, your brain gets used to the rhythm of the language.
You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, or audiobooks.
Choose topics you enjoy so you don't lose interest.
The more you listen, the more English becomes familiar.
And familiarity leads to automatic thinking.
Now let's talk about learning phrases instead of single words.
This is a very important shift.
Instead of learning decision, learn make a decision.
Instead of learning mistake, learn make a mistake.
These are called collocations, and they're essential for fluency.
When you learn phrases, you speak faster because your brain doesn't build sentences from scratch.
Another useful technique is narrating your entire day in your mind.
When you wake up, think, "I am waking up now."
When you eat, think, I'm having breakfast.
When you travel, think, "I'm going to work."
This creates continuous English thinking.
Now let's address fear of mistakes.
Many learners are afraid to speak because they fear errors.
But mistakes are completely normal.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
The key is to keep speaking even if you make mistakes.
Because fluency comes from practice, not perfection.
Now let's talk about immersion.
You can create an English environment even at home.
Change your phone language to English.
Watch English videos regularly.
Follow English content creators on social media.
Surround yourself with English as much as possible.
This constant exposure trains your brain automatically.
Another powerful method is self-questioning.
Ask yourself questions in English.
For example, what am I doing right now?
Then answer in English.
Or ask, what do I want to achieve today?
This creates internal thinking practice.
Now let's talk about shadowing.
Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately.
Try to copy pronunciation, tone, and speed.
This improves both speaking and thinking speed.
It also trains your brain to respond faster in English.
Another important tip is timed speaking.
Set a timer for 1 minute and speak continuously in English.
Don't stop. Even if you make mistakes, keep going.
This builds confidence and fluency under pressure.
Now let's talk about patience.
Thinking in English does not happen in one day.
It is a gradual process.
Some people improve in weeks, others take months.
The key is consistency.
Even 15 minutes of daily practice is enough if done regularly.
Finally, remember this: you don't need perfect English to think in English.
You just need consistent practice and exposure.
Start small, stay consistent, and build slowly.
Over time, your brain will automatically switch to English thinking mode.
And once that happens, speaking becomes effortless.
You will stop translating and start thinking naturally.
That's the goal of fluency.
Keep practicing every day and trust the process.
That's it for today's video. We hope this helps you improve your English thinking ability.
If you found this useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep improving your English every day.